How to cancel 49 euros ticket? I will be answering it today. Just follow me step by step.
Okay.
At the very first, you need to go to Deutschbahn's website. You can go through mobile or computer, but I'm showing you through mobile for the maximum people's understanding.
I don't have a computer though.
Sorry.
Let's start with opening the DB Navigator application. At the bottom, you can check the journey section. Click on that and your tickets will be showing there. I have a single ticket. Let's click on the QR code showing on the ticket. After clicking, there will be showing your personal details including your name, date of birth and location and many more. After scrolling down, you can check there is a 3 dot. Click on that and after that there will be 3 options. Click on the second one which means cancel your ticket. Just click on that to cancel your ticket. Again there will be showing 2 box. At the very first you'll be getting the option to select reason of cancelling your ticket. Just click on that. I am selecting here relocation. After that there will be the second box and you need to mention the date. Then click on the further button. You can cancel your subscription at the end of a month. Your cancellation must be received by the 10th of that month. And it will ask you for the final confirmation. So just click on the cancel subscription and it's done. The confirmation of your cancellation will be sent to your email address. So this is the process of cancelling your 49 euros ticket through the easiest way. Yeah, it's okay. Don't need to thank me. Yeah, it's okay. Just click on the like button if you like this, and if it is a little bit beneficial for you, please subscribe the channel for more upcoming updating videos. Thank you. Till then, bye bye and take care.